Well, this is it. Four blue dots on the floor. The start of potentially a new career. What will be going here will be the base for my mill drill. I would want to keep it secured to the ground and to prevent any top over. So throwing some hilties into the ground, attaching a bottom cabinet to it, and then transfer punching the top cabinet into the body. After this, I did cut a piece of 3/4 inch birch that I was going to leave natural, and I did trim out the sides. However, after that fact, I thought it would be much better idea to give this a spray of black and some clear, as there is going to be a lot of moisture with the misters for the mill drill, and black will easily pick up a nice shiny part. This project in total took approximately 5 hours to do, including the woodworking for the top of it.